You need to hear this if you love fitness and want to get ahead of the 2026 workout trends. Isometric exercises, those static holds, are becoming the new secret to amazing strength and muscle growth without needing a gym or expensive gear. Can you believe there are exercises that don't need weights or machines, but can still make your muscles grow just as strong, maybe even better than lifting weights? You can do these exercises anywhere, anytime, and they're great for all ages and fitness levels. The secret is a super simple but often overlooked idea: isometric or static muscle contraction. This is a workout method that many people don't really understand or use correctly yet. Isometric exercises aren't about moving up and down all the time. Instead, you hold a certain position, putting all your strength into the muscles you're working. It's about keeping your muscles super tense, without changing their length, creating a really long time, under tension. That burning and shaking feeling in your muscles is a sign you're doing it right, and this long time under tension is one of the most important things that really makes your muscles grow and get stronger. This is a secret that pro athletes often use to push their limits. Today, we're going to go through 7 isometric exercises that almost no one uses enough, but if you do them seriously, they can totally change your body's strength. Let's explore and feel the difference isometric exercises can make. Number 7. The Copenhagen Plank. It's like the secret king of hip strength, an exercise many people haven't heard of but is super effective. This is an exercise most people haven't tried, but it's super important for hip stability and protecting your knees. This is especially true for anyone wanting to get stronger overall. When you do it, the muscles that work the hardest are the inner thigh muscles, called adductors. This helps make that area stronger and more flexible. But it doesn't stop there. This exercise also makes your side core muscles, lower back muscles, glute medius, and knee stabilizing muscles all work at the same time. It's a full body team effort. You lie on your side, put your foot on a bench, and lift your whole body up so it forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Make sure your shoulders and hips are in line. Your hips shouldn't drop even a tiny bit. Keep them strong and control your movement. You'll know you're doing it right when your inner thigh and side core feel warm very quickly. You might even shake a little because it's hard. Why is it important? Because weak inner thigh muscles are directly linked to groin and knee injuries, especially in sports that involve quick changes in direction, like soccer or basketball. But even if you're not an athlete, weak hips can make your body unstable when you walk, run, or squat, affecting your daily life. Hold it for 20 to 30 seconds on each side, for 3 sets. Pay attention to controlling every movement. Gradually increase to 45 to 60 seconds over time to get the best results and really feel yourself getting stronger. Exercise number 6. The L-sit, a true full-body strength test that demands amazing coordination and body control. Coming from gymnastics, the L-sit is one of the toughest isometric exercises because almost your entire body has to contract at the same time, putting a lot of pressure on your main muscle groups. Your hip flexors, abs, triceps, front shoulders, serratus muscles, and spinal erectors. They all work super hard together to hold that position steady. You press your hands into the floor, or parallel bars. Lift your body up, and straighten your legs to make a 90-degree angle with your torso, keeping your back straight the whole time. Your shoulders should be pushed down, not shrugging up near your ears. This helps protect your shoulder joints and makes you more stable. Your abs should be squeezed as tight as possible, holding firm to keep your back from arching or sagging. What's special about the L-sit is that it builds functional strength. That's your body's ability to control itself in space, which helps with everyday activities. After a few weeks of practice, you'll really notice an improvement in your posture, how stable your spine feels, and your confidence when you move around. Beginners can bend their knees to make it easier, focusing on getting the technique right before trying the full move. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds, do 3 to 4 sets, and take short breaks in between to get your strength back. Then, slowly straighten your legs, hold for longer, and challenge yourself with harder variations to get stronger all over. Number 5. Bottom hold push-up, stretching your muscles at their weakest point. A lot of people do push-ups, but very few dare to stop at the lowest point, where the chest muscles take the most force. When you hold at a 90-degree elbow angle, you're holding your muscles in their most mechanically disadvantaged state. This creates a strong stimulus. Your shoulder blades must be pulled back and down to protect your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line. Don't hold your breath. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, 3 to 4 sets. you'll see your upper chest, which is usually hard to develop, get strongly activated. Number 4, the Superman hold, builds the back of your body. Modern gyms, honestly, often focus too much on the front muscles, like your chest, abs, and front thighs. But your back muscle chain, that includes your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings, that's the real base for good posture. To do it, you lie on your stomach, stretch out both your arms and legs, then lift both of them off the floor and hold that position. A quick tip, don't crane your neck up and don't bend your knees. Okay? Make sure to squeeze your glutes on purpose. After just a few seconds, you'll feel your lower back and glutes really heating up. This is super important to prevent back pain, because a lot of back pain actually comes from weak muscles, not from overdoing it. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds and do 3 sets. Exercise number 3, the wall squat. It sounds simple, but it's really tough. You just lean your back against a wall, then lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground. No movement at all, no weights needed, just you and the burning sensation in your muscles. If you're interested, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and keep watching to discover more super effective isometric exercises. Go ahead and try these moves, and let us know what you think. The wall squat helps build endurance in your quadriceps and makes your knee joints more stable. Plus, it trains your ability to handle discomfort, which is a super important mental skill for working out. Start with 30 seconds, doing 3 sets. After that, slowly increase to 60, then 90 seconds. Number 2, static glute bridge. Wake up those glutes. Your glutes are the biggest muscles in your body, but for many people, especially men, they're often asleep. This can affect how stable your pelvis is, how well your lower back is protected, and your overall movement. Lie on your back, bend your knees, push your hips up as high as you can, and hold it there. Squeeze your glutes like you're holding a coin between them. Don't arch your back. Strong glutes also help with something called EPOC. That's excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. It means your body keeps burning energy for hours after you finish your workout. Hold this for 20 to 40 seconds, doing 3 to 4 sets. First up, isometric calf raise, your second heart. Your calf muscles help pump blood back to your heart, working against gravity. They're mostly made of slow-twitch muscle fibers, so they respond really well to holding a position for a long time. Stand on the edge of a step, lift your heels as high as you can, and hold it there. Push through your big toe. Don't wobble. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds, doing 3 to 4 sets. Slowly work your way up to holding for 60 seconds. And finally, the bonus exercise, the hollow body hold, the base for core control. Lie on your back, arms stretched overhead, legs straight and lifted. Your lower back must be pressed flat against the floor. There should be no gap. The key is to activate your transverse abdominis, the deepest layer of muscle that helps keep your spine stable. When you press your lower back into the floor, you're training this exact muscle layer. If you're not strong enough yet, lift your legs higher. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds, then slowly increase to 30 seconds. So, to sum it up, these 7 exercises, plus the hollow body hold, create a complete system to build real strength without needing weights. Isometric exercises don't fully replace lifting weights, but they add something many people are missing: body control, deep muscle endurance, and joint stability. If you want to build a strong foundation before lifting heavier, or want to work out anywhere, this is the toolkit you need. One last question for you. Do you dare to hold still for 60 seconds, facing that burning muscle feeling head-on without trying to escape? True strength isn't just about moving. It's about being able to hold steady when everything starts to shake. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Don't miss out on upcoming content to take your strength to the next level. Isometric exercises, the key to building a lasting strength foundation, improving body control, and preventing injuries. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any valuable fitness knowledge that will help you conquer all your